Boys and girls, hello and welcome to another vlog. As I am leaving work and I'm about to cruise home. Got really warm. It's supposed to be only 45 degrees today, but I think it got up to like 50 plus because I'm fucking burning up. I am fucking burning up. How was everybody's day today? Or I guess you're probably watching this in the morning if you're in America, but if you're in different places, you know, you're watching it at a different time. So perhaps how was your day is an appropriate question. Who knows? But it's funny, I'm actually moist. I'm legit wet. I can't I don't want to deal with it. I forgot how warm things get. Ooh, I don't want to get too close to the It's freaking so hot that I can't even put on my gloves. Everything is wet. What a weird year we're having. What a freaking mess. It's literally was like freezing and snowing yesterday, and today it's hot. I don't freaking get it. There we go. Here we go. Oh my God. All right. Okay, let's start up. First and foremost, besides all the bitching and moaning and being warm and all that stuff, Earl Stevens from New Zealand is the latest and greatest Patreon. That's right, I have a Patreon account. I do not particularly have a lot of stuff there. I do have some private stuff. You know, you get to see my face. You get to see what it actually looks like. You actually get to see my mug and all that. So there's some benefits there, but either way, I really appreciate Earl becoming the latest. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And the few dollars that I get on Patreons and stuff like that, I mean, I use it towards gas, basically, and, you know, bike shit. That's it. Yeah. I am sorely ready to freaking get home, peel off all this shit. I've been playing Gran Turismo 7 and it's fun. Gran Turismo 7, it's fun. I cannot believe they just pulled it from the Russian market. Man, this whole Russia thing, I'm trying not to be political, but what a fucking mess. Every single Russian I know is against this shit. Not a single person supports it, you know? Yet the whole country is being punished. What a freaking sack of shit. What a freaking sack of shit. Very upsetting, to say the absolute least. But yeah, Gran Turismo 7 pulled from Russian Sony stores, whatever. But yeah, I've been playing mine here in America, and it's super fun. Collecting all the little cars. I kind of like the aspect of the car collector. Sick, bro, sick. You are the man. He's trying to beat me, huh? Oh, you probably Here we go. Here we go. Just cruising. Speed limit. Everybody's going way below the speed limit. I don't know why. I'm going 45 and looks like I'm passing them super fast. Makes no sense. Oh, I love the little BQE bursts after work. Man, always cheer me up and always cool me down, because I was sweating my balls and now I'm freaking chilling. Now I'm perfect. Now I'm la perfecto señorita. We're good now. Alright, I knew we were gonna have to split just a tiny bit. That's not a big, not the biggest banana as far as bananas go. A little afternoon split, if I may. Look at these folks here. Just all scooting over. Scooting on over. Not bad. It's a weird license plate. And now we just relax, you know. Now we just take it easy and wait for the momos. It's totally okay to just relax once in a while. You don't necessarily have to go crazy and speedy and all that. And look at this. None of these people are turning it off, but I'm just pretending to be a little car. I'm not a motorcycle right now. I'm a little car. Look at me. I'm just like basically a tiny little car with two wheels, because I could have passed everybody 7,000 times, but I won't. Look at this Honda, 100% getting off right here. Will we show a signal? Nope. That's why you got passed. And here you go slow. Remember how I used to fucking fly like a devil? Nah, not anymore. Not after it cost me $50 one day. Oh, please. Can I please make that? Oh, God. Come on. I don't want to speed, but I also want to make that. Yes. We did it. Thanks, man. Oh gosh, I'm burning up again. I'm either complaining about this or I'm complaining about that. Pick a topic and I'll bitch. Yo, what up, dog? A little baby wheelie there. Picked up the front a little bit, because why not? It's Ducati. That's the power. That's what, when people say Ducati power, that's what they mean. Ducati power. All right, kids.